All right, y'all. I don't have any fancy words or announcements, fancy edits, none of that stuff, man. I just want to let y'all know today is the last day you can get access to my 2-for-1 affiliate bundle for only $26, man. So going into the new year, 2026, I decided to make both of my best courses basically for the price of one. Two done for you campaigns that I used to make over $60,000 this year using nothing but free traffic. I'm giving all that knowledge and game away to you for a one-time fee of only $26. Of course, it comes with lifetime access, Facebook group, everything that all my usual courses come with. Both of them come with step-by-step over-the-shoulder training. It's about 7 to 9 videos in each course. Everything is there, man. There's no guesswork to it. As soon as you come in, you'll be able to get started by the end of the day. Um, yeah, same day and get right to work. Yeah, I'm making this a video. I'm a little sleepy right now, but yeah, today is the last day to get the 2026 affiliate bundle with my two best courses for the price of one. Time fee of only $26, man. If you got any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.